Resolution rate. Resolution rate. Resolution rate. Customer experience. Customer experience. Customer experience. Customer loyalty. Customer loyalty. Customer loyalty. Customer empathy. Customer empathy. Customer empathy. Customer retention. Customer retention. Customer retention. Resolution rate. For example, we aim to achieve a high resolution rate for customer complaints. Customer experience. For example, enhancing the customer experience is a key focus for our team. Customer loyalty. For example, customer loyalty programs can increase repeat business. Customer empathy. For example, customer empathy is essential for building strong relationships. Customer retention. For example, customer retention is a critical factor in our business strategy.